Irregular verbs. Love them or hate them, you need to know them. 25 questions. Pick the correct past form. Let's see if you can score 25 out of 25.
Question 1. I blank a really good book last weekend. Question 2. She blank me a beautiful scarf for my birthday. Question 3. We blank to the beach every summer when I was a kid. Question 4. He blank the answer but didn't say anything. Question 5. They blank dinner together last Friday.
Okay, so here's the thing. You might get every verb right in this quiz, but what happens when you're in a real conversation and you need those verbs instantly? If you hesitate or go back to your own language first, that's totally normal, but you can fix it. From Stuck to Fluent gives you 500 ready-to-use phrases, so the words just come out. 30 days is all it takes. Link in the description.
Question 6. I blank my best friend at a concert 5 years ago. Question 7. She blank 3 glasses of water after the run. Question 8. The kids blank all the cookies before lunch. Question 9. He blank his wallet on the kitchen table. Question 10. I blank you were coming today. What a nice surprise. Question 11. She blank up early and made pancakes for everyone. Question 12. We blank a taxi because it was raining. Question 13. He blank her a letter every week while she was traveling. Question 14. I blank my favorite mug yesterday. I'm so upset. Question 15. The dog blank under the table during the storm. Question 16. She blank a beautiful song at the talent show. Question 17. They blank the house for a really good price. Question 18. I blank about you yesterday. How have you been? Question 19. He blank the ball and everyone cheered. Question 20. We blank in line for over an hour to get tickets. Question 21. She blank the car into the parking spot perfectly. Question 22. The teacher blank us a very interesting story. Question 23. I blank my keys somewhere and now I can't find them. Question 24. He blank the race even though he started last. Question 25. She had never blank on a plane before that trip.
All done. 25 irregular verbs. How many did you get? If you scored over 20, your English is looking great. Share your score in the comments and challenge a friend to beat it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you tomorrow.